This is Missy with you, and today I'll be teaching you how to delete your watch history in your YouTube app. So just for your info guys, I'm using a Samsung Galaxy Note 20 Ultra 5G. So from here, let's open our YouTube app. There. As you can see, naka-login na yung account ko sa YouTube. So, let's click on the library dito sa bottom part. You can see yan yung mga option, history, videos, movies, watch later. So, we'll choose history. Yan yung mga pinanood ko recently. So, we want to delete all this. So, what we have to do is just click on this more options sa top portion, right corner of your screen. There, yung may tatlong dots. Choose history controls, yung nauuna. And then, we have to choose the first one, which is clear watch history. And then we just click again, the same thing, clear watch history, ito sa right side. And we also want to remove our search history, so we choose the second option. And again, just clear search history. So let's go out. And let's close the app. And let's reopen to see if it worked. So again, choose library and choose the history. As you can see, empty na siya. Wala na yung mga recently watched na videos. And here sa search, wala na rin. It's empty. So there you have it guys. I hope you learned something new today. And for those of you who aren't subscribed yet to the channel, please click on the subscribe button and the notification bell to get the updates on my next upcoming videos. And please give this video a thumbs up if you liked it and if you learned something new. Thank you for watching.